innovative processes enhance the quality of our lives. For our customers, we transfer power into first-class efficiency in a small space. At the Medical Excellence Center of DMG MORI, our experts will be involved at an early stage in the development of our customers' products. This is how we design groundbreaking technologies for the efficient production of high-quality parts. We increase productivity and bring progress to daily life. Decades of experience and the will to achieve perfection turn our machine tools into groundbreaking instruments for the production of high-quality components. We develop innovative solutions for demanding materials. The results are true masterpieces, patient-specific solutions on a world-class level. DMG MORI Medical Competence.